My beautiful friends, how are you doing? Ensure to watch this video multiple times. If you have to, don't forget to like, subscribe, join my Telegram channel. The links are going to be in the description. Let's go. I'm going to move this to the left, bring this down, move this way. Let's start by doing that. To the left, down, that way. Take this up, push this way so this can come down. Watch that. Take that up so this can go this way. Now watch what happens. Take it up so we can take this direction, bring that down, push the key in a bit, move that way, take that candle up, push the key in like that. Okay, now take that down. What happens? That goes to the left. Take this up, push these two green candles to the left, this comes down and the key passes. Now let's play without talking.